Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Stewart Town towards Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway. Turning off the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road onto the Huddersfield to Mango Valley Road. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, to Tower Isles, Prospect, White River, Ocho Rios, and other places. Turning off the Huddersfield to Mango Valley Road onto Huddersfield Avenue. If we had continued straight on the Huddersfield to Mango Valley Road, then the road would take us to Fernandez Garden, Mango Valley, Comma District, Fellowship Hall, Ramble, Union Hill, and other places. On the right is Rio Nuevo Avenue, same as Rio Nuevo Avenue, and that road will take you onto Rio Nuevo Terrace, same as Rio Nuevo Terrace. The road on the left will take you onto the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway, also the Stewart Town Main Road. Huddersfield Avenue ends, and just ahead is Fernandez Avenue. Going right will take you towards Rio Nuevo Terrace, same as Rio Nuevo Terrace, and also towards Marrakech Drive. We have made the left towards the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway, also the Stewart Town Main Road. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.